Alright, let's solve this equation together. It says x root x all squared is equal to 8. Okay, now, so there is a very fast method of doing this, and there is a longer method of doing this. But you know us in this channel, we go straight to the point. So let's do this with a rapid method. Okay, so to remove this square sign, we simply take the square root of both sides. So take the square root of this side and take the square root of this side. You see that square and square root to cancel. So we have x multiplied by square root of x to be equal to square root of 8. Okay, now square root of 8 is the same thing as square root of 4 times 2, and this is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 2, where square root of 4 is equal to 2, so we have 2 times square root of 2 to be equal to x times square root of x. Okay, now you see, look at this and look at this. Any place you have x, you have 2. Any place you have x, you have 2. So it means that x is equal to 2. Alright, but this is only one of the answers for x, because recall that you had in this question x times, so let me write it. So you have x times square root of x all squared is equal to 8. X squared is x squared. Square root of x squared, however, is x. X squared times x is x cubed. Okay, so if you have x cubed is equal to 8. Alright, now it means that x cubed is equal to 2 cubed. Okay, so what does this mean? If x cubed is equal to 2 cubed, it simply means that x cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to 0. Okay, so it means from here we have difference of 2 cubes. And what does the law state? It states that difference of 2 cubes will give us, so this will become equal to x minus 2 multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared, which is 4. Okay, so this is equal to 0. So from here you have the first answer to be x minus 2 equal to 0, or we have that x squared plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now from this point you can see that you can use the quadratic equation to simplify this equation further. So you can use the quadratic formula simplifying this from the formula that states that minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a is equal to x. Applying the quadratic formula in this equation, we have that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 4. So we have that minus b is minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4. Alright, minus 4ac is 16 all over 2a is 2 times 1, which is 2. Alright, hence x now becomes equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of negative 12 over 2. Alright, this becomes equal to minus 2 plus or minus negative 12, root of negative is something as I root 12. Okay, now root of 12 is also the same thing as 2 root 3. So we have this to be equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2I root 3 over 2. Alright, so from here you have 2 to, you can take 2 to give you minus 1 plus or minus, alright, 2 into 2 is also 1, so you have I root 3 to be equal to x. So invariably means that either x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3, or x is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3. So these are the three answers for x. I hope you understood. I hope it made sense. If it did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.